ladies and gentlemen, Harrison Ford.
When I think about the potential of a movie, I think about this experience we all share. We go into a theater, maybe we've hit the jackpot with comfy seats and a great sound system. We've got our popcorn and candy. The lights go down, the screen lights up, and we're taken on a journey for a couple of hours. And when it's over, if we're lucky, we come out and see the world a little bit different. Star Wars is, for lack of a better word, awesome. I'm so blessed that I had the opportunity to be a part of it, to walk in these iconic locations, and soon you'll be able to do that as well. Not in a galaxy far, far away, but in a place close to home. Ladies and gentlemen, your first look at the Star Wars experience.
For almost 40 years, we've watched the Star Wars universe happen on screen. Now, we at Walt Disney Imagineering have joined forces with the imagination of Lucasfilm to bring this galaxy to life at Disneyland and Walt Disney World Resorts.
You've watched the saga. Now enter these authentic locales with your every sense engaged. You're meeting droids and aliens, entering an otherworldly street market, actually tasting the local delicacies, and going upscale at the planet's best dinner club. Or, for the truly adventurous, heading down to the local cantina. The stories are epic, the locations breathtaking. It's all coming to Disney Parks, the place where Star Wars lives.